Hello, my growing buddies. So once again, Mini is back with you at your own learning platform, Learn Forward, with your maths book, Maths Concepts and Skills for Grade 1 by Feather Cap. And ahead on the journey, today we will be learning about multiplication, and just get ready for it. This is chapter 11 for you. So, what is multiplication? We have already learnt addition. You remember adding numbers? Let's do a gear up exercise. Observe the following groups you see below and write how many things are there in each group. So, can we just count? 5 mangoes. Okay. And what about this? These are 7 oranges. And what about the butterflies? You know counting well. This is 6. Perfect. And how many pens do you see here? Brilliant. That is 8. Very good. So let's just move ahead and understand what is multiplication. Multiplication is just repeated addition. So when you have to add, you have already learnt about adding numbers. So how much is 2 plus 3? Yes, that is 5 children. But sometimes you have to add the same number again and again. If I say how much is 2 plus 2, so that is the same number being added, we get 4. So when we have the same number added again, 2 plus 2 plus 2, this is called repeated addition. So 2 plus 2 makes 6. And we say this is 3 times the number 2. How many times are you adding? 3 times. What are you adding? You are adding 2. So we say this is 3 groups of 2 each, or it is 3 times 2. This is 6. Right? So repeated addition is multiplication. Now count the objects in each group and add. So these are 4 flowers. These are also 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So there are how many groups of 4 flowers? 2 groups of 4 flowers each, and there are in all 8 flowers. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now you have your yummy chocolate ice creams. So use repeated addition. How many are these? 5. Another group of 5. Another group of 5. So 3 groups of 5 ice creams each make how many ice creams in all? 15 ice creams in all. That is perfect. So here again what you see, 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we are having 3 groups of 5. That means 3 times 5 is 15. Now help Naika write the following repeated additions. So she is adding 2 repeatedly. 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times? 5 times. So we say 5 times 2. Now come on, add and tell me how much is it? That is 10. We added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now next is 4 times 5. Come on, add and tell me. This is 20. Perfect. Here you have 3 times 3. Very good. You got it so well and fast. That is 9. And what about 7 plus 7? 2 times 7. How much is it? 14. Brilliant, children. So this is repeated addition, which is going to help you in multiplication ahead as you grow. Now, Hots, take 12 pencils, arrange the pencils in rows in different ways. Each row must have the same number. So what you can do? You can take 12 pencils like this, all 1, 1, 1. These are 12 pencils. Or we can make groups of 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. We can also make groups of 3, 3, then 6, 9, and it is done, 12. You can make groups of 4 also. Very good. Good answer. We can make 4, 4. Any other possibility? Yes, you can make groups of 6 also. 6, 6, and it is done. So one group is this, another way is this, another way is this, still another way, and then you can have 12 pencils like this also, one each, right? So these are the different ways in which you can arrange 12 pencils so that each group has equal number of pencils. So tell me, can you arrange 5 pencils also in groups if you have 12 pencils? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. because in this group there will be just 2 pencils left. So it is not possible, right? So this is how we do equal grouping of things. Now chapter at a glance. Adding a number again and again is called repeated addition, and repeated addition is called multiplication. Now for my little champions, Olympiad champions, how many equal groups of 5 can be formed from the given spinning fidgets? So let's see 5, 5. This is 5. Okay, they are already well arranged. So how many groups can we make? 4 groups. Yes. So your correct answer is this. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of these fidgets you have made. Next, 2 groups of 5 mangoes means how many mangoes? Just see 5 and another 5. That gives you 10. Perfect. Let's move ahead, and you have miscellaneous exercise MCQs. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. You are adding 5 times. What do you get? 15. 6 added 4 times is? Yes, do it quickly and give me the answer. Perfect. 24. And 4 groups of 3 pens each will be how many pens? 12 pens. Now, subjective type questions for you. Vivek has 3 baskets. He puts 5 apples in each basket. Write the repeated addition. So, he is putting 5 apples in each. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Total is? Good answer. This is 15. Perfect, children. Now, Harmeet collects 2 stickers every day. How many stickers will he have on the 7th day? So, 2, another 2, another 2. For 7 days, he is doing. So, how many will he have on 7th day? He will have 14 because he is taking 2 stickers every time, adding 2 every next day. So, on the 7th day, it will be 7 times 2. Okay. Next, observe the hints and complete the sentences given below. You have to write your age. My age is how many years? My birth month is, write your own month of birth. My roll number, your class roll number, you have to write yourself. Number of boys in my class, this all of you will have the same answer. And number of members in your family, all of you will be having some different number here. Maybe it's a nuclear family or a joint family. You are the only child, you have siblings, whatever. So you have to write the name of your number of your family members, right? So just explore and write these numbers. See, some hints are given here. What is my age? It is 3 plus 3. Okay, it is 6 years. My birth month is 4 plus 4. That is 8. So, which is the 8th month? Quickly say the months. That is August. What is your roll number? That hint is also given here. My roll number is 20. Yes. And the number of boys in my class. How much do you see here? 5 times 6 is 30. And the number of members in my family is, see, 4 times 2. That gives you 8. Good calculation, children. I'm happy you are doing addition so fast and enjoying these also. So, we'll be coming up with more interesting sessions ahead. Till then, keep enjoying maths. Have lots of fun. Happy learning.